look at me like I'm crazy when I shut my feelings out. You look at me like I'm different, still you stay cause you feel something real.
I am so happy that they have my favorite drink, a lava flow. I added it on our signature drink on our wedding, and they have it as non-alcoholic, but they're gonna add the horchata vodka in it. So excited. Good choice, babe. This is so cute. Finally, my lava flow. Thanks, babe, for taking me here, because there's not a lot of restaurants that serve lava flow. I'm also adding another wallflower for the kitchen, because sometimes when I cook, it's wrong. And this is like part of like the entrance of the house, so might as well put some scent. And my favorite now is the new scent from Bath and Body Works, the Luminous. There you go. Smells so good. And I got like a lotion too. I love this scent. It's just like not fruity, but like touch of amber. The fragrance notes are ruby currant, gilded iris, and praline amber. And I love to light up all the candles, the fake ones, like I mean the LED ones that we light up, and the real candles at night for the scent and like the ambience and the vibes. So cozy. I love it. So I'm putting this on here. But it's so cute. It's a little bit hidden, and then the color also still matched the vibe. I can put it there, but I don't know, I feel like this would make it more, like the smell would spread more. I don't know, I guess. Anyway, time to cook.
Lost in my moments doesn't mean I don't need you.
Brigantine at Harbor Island. There's another one at Shelter Island, but this one is the one that's open until now. It's so nice here.
I fell in love with your colors, they kinda tell me what I'm thinking. I fell in love with the way we are and the way we lose it. There's something different about us, and the reason why we stay. We fly around like paper planes, they never know where we will fall. Nobody can see us, still they wanna tear us apart. There's something different about the way we are.
Her outfit, I let her wear that because she's wearing yoga pants earlier.
There's something different about us. Pouring cup after cup after cup. Yeah, it's just the way we do.
This is so cute. So we are heading to Miguel's Cocina. Oh, this is super cute.
Do it. Anything just to block out the real life, real life. Yeah, we're loving the way they think we're so messed up.
And another care package arrived from Hypergo. So cute. Thank you so much for giving me all these. Is it lavender? And this is cucumber. Oh my gosh. Love. Alright. I got another Hermes book to add on my, this is a bit thicker one, but it's so cute because it has like a plane in there. Cute. Alright, so we are heading out. This is my outfit of the night. And just casual. They said it is a bit cold tonight, so I'm just taking my leather jacket with me. This long sleeves I love. There's like an open, like a slit open part here. With this one you can adjust, but I'm trying to have it as my top, but like tuck in one. Look at those planes up there, so cute. This is one of our favorite restaurants. They have good food, good view. Of course, his favorite. And I just took a cute photo by the plane. You got beef tacos. Of course, he's gonna get burrito. And that's the stadium of the Padres, Petco Park. I got Midori pineapple sour Malibu mixture. So good.
On the tour of songs I've never played before, we have a request for Chris.
Lazy Sunday mornings, hiding under covers. I don't mind staying in with you. Play your favorite movie, laying right beside me. I don't mind when it's just us two. That corner coffee shop we like to go. Late night walks with you to take me home. With you.
Finally trying out this Delimundo corned beef. This is, they said, the most aesthetic and hype corned beef in the Philippines. This one is the caldereta flavor. So it's like I'm really cooking a caldereta, but it's corned beef one. And I just cooked it with butter. Smells so good. Chris is swimming there. We're going up because we have to shoot our campaign. It's our first time checking this spot out.
Sauna ba yun? Ano yun? O shower?
Oh, I think steam. Or, oh wait, what is it? Oh no! Elevator?
Oh yeah, it is an elevator.
Are you serious? It's an elevator. Wow. And the basketball court. Nice. I don't know where the DJ tower is. They said maybe there or there. Barbecue area over there. Water park and pool. And I love our pools. All our pools are salt water, and they're heated pools, especially in winter. So we're just gonna choose this spot. And I love the houses on a cliff.
Do I never feel alone?
These little songs make me glad to call you mine. And you have got my head in the clouds.
This is so cute. Yes.
Wait, a what?
No, I was just taking a video of her. Hey girls! It's our first time meeting.
I know! I'm so glad I met a new friend.
Yes!
Doubt it. I'm like, I know I will.
Our photographer.
I know. Thank you so much.
I wake to a kiss on my face. So